everybody, Andrew Keel here from Keel Team Real Estate Investments. Wanted to reach out. I had someone ask me today what a mobile home park syndication is. They are new to real estate private equity and just new to the idea of pooling together investor capital to buy commercial real estate. So I wanted to just do this quick video, and I did a quick Google search and found some different diagrams that were pretty cool. And then obviously, this goes for all types of commercial real estate. But if you look at this is a cool diagram here by Welford Capital. Obviously you just can change this to a picture of a mobile home community, and there will be an LLC typically that will be, say we're buying a property in Orlando, Florida. It could be Orlando MHP LLC, right? And this entity will have, two classifications of partners. There'll be the general partners, which are like the deal sponsor, which is the professional team usually that is going to own and manage the asset, and they found the asset. So they will find it, put the deal together, get the financing, and also raise the money from the limited partners here, the LPs, who are the equity partners that are contributing capital in an expectation that the property will perform based on the underwriting and the business plan put together by the general partners. And then the limited partners will be able to receive a return on their investment. So this is a cool just kind of diagram of what that process looks like. This one was pretty cool as well. The sponsors, they find the projects and they're in the process of putting it together. The capital stack is, all the money that goes into needing to acquire the asset, right? So this includes, going to a local bank, getting a loan, and then, typically you'll need a down payment, right? So to make up the down payment, closing costs and improvements, there will be additional equity needed, which the sponsors, like we always invest in all of our deals as part of the investor group. And then, the entity, like we saw in the other diagram, will own the property, and then investors can purchase a stake in the syndication entity. There's different types of real estate syndications, within the mobile home park asset class. And I think I like this graph because it shows, hey, the amount of risk you're taking as that goes up with like an opportunistic project, like a ground up development, the returns should be higher because there's more operational risk in getting that deal through the finish line. Value add, that's where we focus on in the mobile home community space, is buying from mom and pops that are maybe 60-70% occupied, and then infilling, submetering water and sewer and billing back trash, and improving the roads and fixing deferred maintenance. So there's operational risk there, on behalf of the LPs, because the general partner has to actually do some work to actually earn a good return for the investors and for themselves. Core Plus and Core, these are more institutional assets that are typically fully occupied, and rents are usually at market. So the risk is lower, but the potential return is also lower. So I think this kind of talks about the risk and reward dynamic there, which is pretty cool. Mobile home parks, if you're listening to this, you probably have heard somewhere that mobile home parks have performed historically really well, particularly in the NOI growth category. So NOI, net operating income, that's basically the income that the property is generating. And year after year, mobile home parks and self-storage facilities are really good at consistently increasing rents. So increasing rents, increasing revenues, and increasing ultimately income, because your expenses typically are fixed, and you're able to push revenues year after year, get those increases without having a mass exodus of your tenants moving out. Anyways, I wanted to share this video. I hope it added value to you. Thank you so much for watching. I have a free ebook on my website. If you go to keelteam.com, I have an ebook that right here, free ebook. It's 10 things to review when considering a passive mobile home park investment. It's completely free. Just put in your contact information and we send that to your email. I hope you enjoyed.